Hi guys, welcome back to Shabes online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to find the fourth degree Taylor's polynomials of this function. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes online tutorial. The question on the board reads, find the fourth degree Taylor's polynomial for f of x is equal to ln x at a is equal to 1. So let's get started. Solution. The first thing we're going to do is to write the general formula for Taylor's polynomials. And the formula is p subscript n of x, which is equal to summation as n ranges from 0 to infinity, f at n derivative of what? Of a, then multiply by what? X minus a to the power of n all over n factorial. So this is the general formulas. So in respect to this question, we are looking for the fourth degree Taylor's polynomial at a is equal to 1. So we're going to have what? P at fourth degree polynomial, which is equal to summation as n ranges from 0 to 4, f at n derivative of a, which is the same, and a from the question is 1, f of 1. Then multiply by x minus a, which is x minus 1 raised to the power of n all over n factorial. Note that n is ranges from what? From 0, 1, 2, 3, then to 4. Now the next thing we are going to do is to write the function. The function given is f of x is equal to ln x. And to get f of 1, remember f of a is the same as what? F of 1. From the question, a is 1. So at n is equal to 0, we are not going to differentiate this function. We are going to have f of 1, which is equal to, anywhere we see x in this function, we substitute 1, which is going to be ln 1, which is equal to 0. So the next one, at n is equal to 1, we're going to have first derivative of function, which is equal to, if you differentiate ln x, we're going to have what? 1 over x. And 1 over x can also be written as what? X raised to the power of minus 1. So f prime of 1 now will be equal to, if you substitute 1 here, we're going to have 1 over 1, which is the same as 1. So at second derivative at n is equal to 2, I'm going to have f prime prime of x, which is equal to, if you differentiate this function using power rule, we're going to have what? Minus x to the power of minus 2. Because minus 1 multiplied by 1 is going to give us minus 1. X, then take away 1 from minus 1 is going to be minus 2. This can also be written as minus 1 over x squared. So at f of 1 at second derivative will be equal to, if you substitute 1 in place of x, going to be what? Minus 1 over 1. 1 square is the same as 1, which is going to give us what? Minus 1. Then at third derivative, f prime prime of x, which is the same as, if you differentiate this function, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is going to give us positive 2x. Then take away 1 from the power is going to be minus 3. And this can also be written as what? 2 over what? X to the third power. Then f at third derivative of 1 is the same as 2 over 1 cube is the same as 1, which is the same as positive 2. Now the last one, which is at fourth derivative of x, which is equal to, if you differentiate this function, you're going to have minus 6x to the power of minus 1, which is the same as 6 over x to power 4. Then if you at fourth derivative of 1 will be equal to what? 6 over 1 to power 4 is the same as 1, which is the same as 6. So we have got the first derivative up to the fourth derivative. Now the next thing is to get the fourth degree Taylor's polynomial using this general formula. So we're going to have what? P subscript 4 of x. This is subscript 4 of x, which is equal to what? Summation as n ranges from 0 to 4, f of n at n is equal to 0, we're going to have a 0. So 0 multiplied by what? Multiplied by x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 all over 0 factorial. So raised to the power of 0 at n is equal to 0 all over what? 0 factorial. Then plus, and at n is equal to 1. That is, as first derivative, we have what? Positive 1. Then multiply by what? X minus 1 raised to the power of 1 all over 1 factorial plus at n is equal to 2 imply at second derivative, which is negative 1. We have negative 1 multiplied by what? X minus 1 raised to the power of 2 all over 2 factorial. Then plus at n is equal to 3. At third derivative, we have what? 2. Positive 2, then multiply by x minus 1 raised to power 3 all over 3 factorial. Plus the last one at n is equal to 4. At fourth derivative, we have 6. We have 6 over what? 6 multiplied by x minus 1 all to the power of 4 all over what? 4 factorial. Now we're going to simplify this polynomial. We have what? 4 p subscript 4 of x, which is equal to any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Therefore, the whole time here is going to be 0. Then 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is that number. Then 1 factorial imply 1. X minus 1 divided by 1 is going to give us x minus 1. Then plus minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 raised to the power of 2 is the same as minus x minus 1 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. And 2 factorial imply 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So we're going to have what? Minus 1 over 2 multiplied by what? X minus 1 to the power of 2. Then plus 2 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial imply 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is going to give us 6. Then 2 divided by 6 is the same as 1 over 3. Then multiply by x minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Then plus 6 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is the same as 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So if you divide 6 by this 4 factorial, the whole time here is going to cancel 6. We're going to left with 1 over 6. 6 divided by 4 factorial is the same as 1 over 6 multiplied by x minus 1 raised to the power of 4. So this is the tailored polynomials of this function at fourth degree polynomials. Taylor's polynomial for f of x is equal to ln x. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Chavez Online Tutorial. Thanks. Plus 6 divided by 4 factorial is the same as 6 over what? 4 multiplied by 3 by 2 by 1. So 3 multiplied by 2 by 1 is going to give us 6. Then 6 cancels 6 is going to be 1. So therefore, 6 multiplied by 4 factorial is going to be 1 over 4. We have 1 over 4 multiplied by what? X minus 1 raised to the power of 4. So this is the fourth degree polynomials for this function f of x is equal to ln x. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Chavez Online Tutorial. Thanks.